Today we're cooking Greek lemon lamb with patates. To start, we need some patates. I use these ones and these ones. Just make it look more nice. Chop them how you like it and put them aside one dish. Now fix them up a little bit salt, a little bit pepper, and much more oregano. In this one, put aside your Greek olive oil, 5 garlic cloves, 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary, little bit Greek honey, and good quality American mustard. The Greek one. Get 3 lemons, cut him the skin, and put them inside here. Cut them, squeeze the juice this one. Now blend them up. Pour half the juice to top. Give them one very good massage. Get your lamb leg, roughly 2.5-3 kilos, and put him sleeping in the top. Get one knife, put him some holes with some more garlic. We fill them all up. Now put him some salt, pepper, oregano. Now flip him to the other side. Now tip him the rest of your juice and massage him so it's going everywhere. Now put inside your chicken stock and finish everything. Little bit paprika, the top. It's giving nice color. Cover him some wet baking pepper. Now fix him up, little bit olive oil. We do a stavro at the top. Now put him in the oven, 175 degrees Celsius, 3.45 hours. Uncover him, put some juices at the top. Now put him back and leave him cooking. Take an hour, she's brown and beautiful. You know how hungry I am. Do some checks, see what is going up, and making sure you're happy. Get some pieces your plate, and always a little bit more zoom in. It's bloody beautiful, mate.